Mayor, kung kayo ay mabigyan ng kahit 5 minuto lang na makausap si President Marcos at si VP Sara, ano po ang inyong sasabihin sa kanila para matapos na ito political na drama at makausap ng gobyerno para sa taong bayan?
Well, I don't have that kind of power to, oy, halika nga kayong dalawa. Dito ka sa wakali, dito ka sa naga. Tapos ako sa gitna. I don't have that power. But hypothetically, hypothetical lang. Hindi hypothetical lang. Sana bigyan nawa sila ng Diyos ng malawak na kaisipan, bukas na damdamin sa bawat isa. Kasi I don't know how far yung sugat,
How deep?
how deep. And I cannot judge any one of them
Yeah.
why they are reacting to each other. And I am in no position.
Yeah.
But as Filipino,
We all,
anong wish mo?
we could only wish I wasn't to say.
No, anong wish mo as
Yeah, they
Filipino?
go together and back,
Yeah, I think yun din ang wish ng mga Pilipino ngayon.
Work
Pili ko lang,
together. Work together.
Kaya, ngayon, kung yun ang wish natin,
Last 2 years alam
ipanalangin natin ang kanilang damdamin, kaisipan, pangunawa sa isa't isa para sa kapakanan ng ating bansa at mamamayan. We should not participate in the division.
Yeah. Add to it.
Or at least, lagyan mo pa ng asin yung sugat.
Oo, yeah.
Di ba? Hindi
Yeah.
ka ba naman isang gagot kalahati? Di ba? May sugat na eh. Kinalamansi mo pa eh. Yeah. Hindi totoo.
Yes.
May mga ganun eh. Urot.
Yeah.
Kaya mo yan. Di ba?
Sige po, sige po.
Tayo, tingin ko.
Okay.
I just wanted peace for the country because mas marami pa tayong kinakarap. Ako, kasi may 2 milyong bibig akong umaasa.
Yes. Population naman nila.
Medyo doon ako kinakabahan. I saw it in pandemic eh.
Yes.
I saw the worst. I think that will be our lifetime discussion.
Yes.
What is your worst experience in pandemic? I saw it. Sana mapabuti na lang ang isa't isa.
Okay.
Yun lang.
On that,
Wish yun ha. Hindi
hindi pagdagatong.
wish ko lang.
Okay. On that note, I would like to thank the good mayor of Manila.
Okay, thank you sa inyo. I'm happy and honored and humbled with the experience again with you guys.
I hope we can invite you again
Next quarter.
for next month.
Para may update na.
Oh, yes.
May
yung
bagong
mga-
update.
Okay. Thank you very much
Thank you.
for that commitment.
Thank you,
Pero,
thank you.
take picture muna tayo. Matagal tayo lang picture.
Ano yan? Etnet.